The NCAA would like to recognize Division III student athletes who follow their passions and discover their potentials in the pursuit of academic excellence. They are encouraged to engage in all aspects of the collegiate experience while participating in highly competitive athletic programs. Division III student athletes dedicate themselves to become successful citizens and responsible leaders. Division III, discover, develop, dedicate.